Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's continue with my JavaScript interview session series. So in today's video, I will discuss about template literal in JavaScript. And first, I will define that thing, and after that, I will share some documentation, and from there, I will give deep dive explanation in that. Okay. But before continuing my video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and comment on that. If you need any improvement or if you need any new videos, please write in the comment section. I will try to make videos on that. Okay, so let's start. So basically, template literal or also known as string template string, and it is a feature of JavaScript that allow for easier string interpolation or multi-line strings, and they are denoted by backticks instead of single or double quotes. So this is the definition of template literal. Now I'm sharing my screen and we'll deep dive into that. So yeah, I think my screen is visible to you. Okay. So see, this is the Geeks for Geeks documentation. Here it mentioned template literal are string literals that allow embedded expression variable into your code. They are enclosed by backtick instead of single quotes or double quotes. Same thing as I told you. And this feature is introduced in ES6. Before ES6, this feature was not there, and this it provide more flexible and readable way to work with string. Unlike tradition string concat, earlier we write when we have to add any variable in our statement, we will uh, concat with that add sign. But now when this template literal comes into picture, it will look more readable and efficient to write the code. So see here, the template literals simplify the process of embedding expression, multi-line string, and variable interpolation. So see, this is the syntax, this is the backticks, and in this backticks we will write the text, and this is the variable, like dynamic variable we want to write in our code. And this backtick is used to define template literal, and this is used to insert expression inside the string such as variable, function call, or arithmetic operation. See, this is the example I have tried 1 minute before. So again I am here. See, if I write let a is equal to, see, I have written this. Now if I write here like this, okay. But if I want, okay, so this is the thing. But if I want this inside, like here, if I have to write this like please, my, see, I have written this. Now here, if I have to add this channel name, I have to write like this. This is before ES6. See, but in string interpolation, we will write like this console.log and that backticks, and same thing I will see. Please subscribe my channel. Now here we give this dollar sign and this is curly braces, and inside that curly braces I will give this and uh, and like and comment on my videos. Now backticks close. Now if I run this code, see here, I will first comment out these two, or yeah, see here, this variable is coming, but if we try through that string, it will show like that. Okay, I am showing by that way also. See, if I write here the same thing, it will only print that a only. Here, see, here that string interpolation will not work, but this backticks, it will work fine. So this is the overall thing. Now I will explain you. See here, the template literal hello is used to insert a value of a variable directly to the string and producing the output. Like I write that thing in this gigs for gigs channel, they write some another code. And the use of this is that cleaner string concatenation. Instead of that plus sign for string concatenation, template literals allow a more readable and convenient way to embed variable and expression inside a string. So basically, like when we write by that way, it will be tough sometime. But when we use this template literal, our code is also clean and it is readable properly. And here, if we write this, see, string interpolation let you insert not just a variable but also expression like math operation or function result directly into a string. Like if we define this variable x is equal to 5 and this y is equal to 10, and if we try to print this value, it will perform that actual mathematical operation. See here, if we directly write like this, yeah, see here it is giving. So this string interpolation not just insert the variable but also expression and perform a math operation also. Okay. So here it mentioned expression evaluation. Inside this expression, like x and y are evaluated, the result is inserted into a string. And this technique allow you to dynamically create a string by combining variable and expression that make code cleaner and easier to read. So I think that's okay. I will multi-line is oh yeah, that one more thing. Like if we try to write some code like if we try to write some content in our code, and I want that this three words in first line, this four word in second line, this two word in second third line. So we will use in that time we will use that template literal only. So see here, I write these lines, and if I print, it will print same as whatever we write inside that template. See, if I write here inside this one, oh here, see, it is not working. Yeah, it is not that double quotes and single quotes are not working here. And if I write here this, oh my God, now here, see, if it will print like that. Okay. So template literal preserve line break so that string appear exactly as it is written and making multi-line string easier to handle. Okay, and here is what the same thing I told you earlier. Here we gave string and name. Now if we print that string, it will give that same it will give that same value whatever we give we give while execution of that function. See here it is mentioned in the second parameter, name is passed as gfg, which is then converted to uppercase, and then finally concat the content of an array, and the value of parameter is combined and written by the function. Okay. Now see, this is escaping backticks and dollar sign. In JavaScript, if you need to include backticks or dollar sign inside a template literal, you can escape them by this backslash, this way. See here. Okay. So like if you want to use some sign inside that backticks, you have to use that backslash to use that. So as I told you, this is for multi-line string it is used, and for dynamic expression, tagged template. So I think that's all for this video. If in interview they ask for proper definition, say like that: a template literal, or also known as strings, and it is a feature of JavaScript that allow string interpolation and multi-line string. Okay, and they are denoted by backticks instead of single or just one second, yeah, instead of single or double quotes. I hope you understand what I want to teach you, and I hope you like my videos. So if you like my videos, please like and comment on my channel. See you soon. Thank you.